everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Today we're at 175 Admiral Road in Ajax. So we've got this awesome, unique, detached two-story property. We've got 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms. We've got a bedroom in the basement, finished basement. Why don't you guys go on and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. What do you guys think about this property? I bet you were not expecting to see this kitchen in this house based on what the outside was, but it is absolutely awesome. I would love to know what you guys think about this property. Leave me a comment, like it, share it with your friends. Also, if you'd like to take a look in person, I'd be more than happy to show it to you guys. My contact information is going to be on the screen. Until next time, guys, remember one thing: get Kabani, get sold.